The fear of sun for skin cancer is exaggerated. Our skin needs exposure to the sun to make vitamin D. The cause of skin cancer is not the sun, but lack of nourishment to the skin and increasing toxicity. And most sunscreens in the market today add to this toxicity. Let's check out a way that both nourishes and protects the skin. Take your homemade moisturizer, rub it in nicely and gently tap all over your face and neck.
Tapping is good.
With the skin nicely moisturized, now take a piece or slice of aloe vera. If you take a bigger piece of aloe vera
And the gel on it, you can eat that. First eat and whatever's left is enough.
rub it in nicely everywhere like you did with the oil and on the neck.
Rub on your arms if you want. Hands.
Best sun protector.
That's it. Aloe vera. Good to go for the sun.
If you still feel concerned, you can wear eyeglasses and a hat. The Japanese used aloe vera to heal nuclear burns. You will also see aloe vera listed in the ingredients of natural sunscreens. Go for the real thing. It's easy to grow. Get rid of the plastic and preservatives. Reduce the burden on your skin and the earth. It's cool to be in step with nature. Like and subscribe to Sustainable Living for All.